Hi there, so here is quite a straightforward question from section A on the 0445 spec 2018. It's a 7 marker, so it's not very complicated, but you have to recognise an orthographic and draw an isometric. So it says the orthographic views of a pizza box, a closed pizza box are shown below. So you've got your plan view, the view from above, and your end view. And in the space provided, complete the isometric view of the pizza box on a scale of 1 to 2. So if you're doing 1 to 2, you're going to be doing it half size. So this is 300, that will become 150. 50 becomes 25. 300 becomes 150. So here, starting off, this is obviously the top face and then the sides. And you can see you've got the corner cut out. So this is the corner cut out here. And this side here will be the top. And this will be a side. So the easy way to start, you know your lines are going to extend and it's going to help you with your measurements. So just extending your lines lightly in either direction using your isometric set square, so 30 degrees, and just extend them lightly. You've got the centre line here, so that shows you it's going to be the same on both sides, and a centre line this way. So you know that essentially it's 150 from one side to the other and 150 from the top to the bottom. So you can work that out. Sometimes the photocopies are not quite right. So you know it's going to be 150 divided by 2, so that is going to be 75. So it's a bit small on one side when it's been photocopied. So 150 there. And it's going to be, so 75 either side of the centre line. It's going to be 150 there. So you can draw that top face. And you know that this is a thickness, so it's going to be finished here. So just extending that line a little further and using where you've measured for your vertical, that's that corner finished. And obviously it's going off the page because you've got another corner cut off. Now you know that the corners are the same, so you can see from here, if you slide that up, you know they're on the same parallel, so you can do it on this point here using that line there, draw it across, and you know that it's the same distance from the centre here because that's your centre line, so you can measure it and mark it off. So that's on this, it looks like 29 I think because of the photocopy, but looks like 30. So make sure it's the same. Draw a vertical because that's the edge of that side, and then join that corner to that corner, and you've finished. And then it talks about the second part. It says corrugated cardboard is a very strong in one direction. State one other property of corrugated cardboard and explain why it makes it suitable for a pizza box. To get marks, it's 3 marks, so you have to state any property and an explanation of why this is an advantage, and if you give a detailed explanation it gives you more marks. For example, it has good insulation properties, that would be 1 mark. Will stop heat from escaping the box, 1 mark. Therefore, the pizza will stay hot longer, 1 mark. So you're chasing those marks to complete the explanation.